In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminder in Slack. By the end, you'll be able to set a clear, reliable reminder that pings you or your team right when you need it. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Slack, then click the official Slack website in the search results. This will take you into Slack on the web. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace with channels and direct messages on the left. Next, open the channel where you want the reminder to live. This could be a project channel, a team space, or even a direct message with yourself if the reminder is just for you. Choosing the right place matters, because the reminder will show up there when it triggers, keeping context with the people who need to see it. Now, click into the message box at the bottom of that channel and start by typing the command /remind. This is Slack's built-in reminder shortcut. Right after remind, add the details of what you'd like to remember. A helpful structure is who, what, and when. For example, you can type, "Remind me to send the status update tomorrow at 9 a.m. If the reminder is for a channel, you might write, "Remind #design to review the mockups next Monday at 2 p.m. You can use natural language for time, like in 10 minutes, at 4 p.m. tomorrow morning, or every weekday at 4 p.m. for recurring reminders. The key is to make the message specific so it's useful when it pops up. Take a quick moment to proofread what you typed. Include AM or PM, a clear date or day, and keep the message short but descriptive. If your team is spread across regions, remember that Slack uses your profile's time zone for delivery, so set the time with that in mind. When you're happy with it, click Send or press Enter. Slackbot will reply with a confirmation so you know the reminder was created successfully. When the time comes, you'll see the reminder appear in that channel or in your direct messages, depending on who you targeted. From there, you can mark it complete or snooze it to nudge yourself a little later. That's it. You've gone from opening Slack to creating a clear, actionable reminder using a single command. Use this whenever you need a gentle nudge to follow up, check in, or keep projects on track. And keep your phrasing consistent so everyone understands exactly what will happen and when.